Let's start.
So, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
And first of all, today's the topic is Indian culture and civilization, and how Indian culture and civilization is different from the Western. So, first of all, I want to tell you that what is the culture and what is the civilization. So, according to me, ma'am, culture is the mind of the society, and civilization is the body of the society. And now the topic. So topic is Indian culture and civilization, and how Indian culture and civilization is different from the Western. So the first and the first basic difference is India culture has a variety of religion like Hindus, Islam, Sikhs, Christian, and many others. While Western culture is the people mostly belong to the Christian. Yeah, it is right that in India there are many relations like many castes like Hindu, Muslim, Sikhs, Christians, but in Western country they belong to the Christians only. This is the basic difference. And the second basic difference is in Indian culture there are joint family. The joint family are common in the Indian culture. The nuclear there is also nuclear family, but joint family are most common. But conversely in the Western culture, a small family are there. Mostly a small family are there in the Western India culture values from the different India's culture are the very unique culture, because in the India all the castes, whenever any festival came, all the castes meet each other. They take a role with the just like as a family. Like in the Hindus made the Chhat Puja and the Diwali. The Muslim and the Sikhs also contribute there, because they and one thing is very important. There is a serial. The name of that serial is Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. This serial is a very famous serial in all over the world. In this serial, there is
network issue.
Festival. It
All right, Fateh, wrap up. Let us give a chance to somebody else. Hello, wrap it up, wrap it up. Finally, I would like to say that. Conclude. Yes, next. Mahi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Fateh has got some network issues. Okay,
yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Yes, ma'am. We are talking about the Indian culture and Western culture. As we all know that Indian culture is considered to be the one of the oldest culture, whereas Western culture.
One minute.
Yes,
First of all, I told you when you were talking, introduce the topic. Introduce what is culture, define culture, what is civilization. It's Indian civilization and culture. So first introduce the topic, define the topic. I told you, compile all the 5 W's and 1 H. What, why, how, who, and how. And then start. The first paragraph should be your definition. Your 5 W's and 1 H. Right? Start. Whatever you have compiled. Okay. It's okay, whatever you come up with in 5 minutes, but then for later, like for the event, do that. Right? Start.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. The topic is Indian culture and Indian culture civilization and Western culture civilization. At first, we know about what is culture. Culture is the art and the manifestations of the human which interacts with the achievements regarding collectively, and civilization. Civilization means, ma'am, a society which has its own highly developed culture, a way of life. So this one is called civilization. Now we talk about Indian culture and Western culture. As we all know that Indian culture is one of the oldest culture, and whereas Western culture is considered to be modern. When talking about family life, there is a great bond between family members. And in Indian culture, one has come across joint families. While talking about Western culture, however, they live in a small family. Another difference that is seen is that Western culture is more open. Through social mixing is very common in Western culture. they are not approved. These are not approved in Indian culture, and through Western, people may become very friends very soon and very easily, and it cannot be taken as a commitment. But if a person has become committed to another, but in Indian culture, they are a little bit shy. They don't get easily friends. But now, concerning about the status of the woman in Indian culture, I think in Indian culture, women do not share the equal rights with the men. But in Western culture, women can share the equal rights with the men. So I think these are the differences between the Western culture and the Indian culture.
And you have not highlighted what have we adapted from the Western culture.
Yes, ma'am.
The importance of festivals. You could include the festivals as well. The Indian festivals, the Western festivals. Like what have we adapted? The Valentine's Day. It was not celebrated in India, but then we have taken all these things: the Friendship Day, the Valentine's Day. Now even the Halloween is creeping into Indian culture, which was not before. So all these things, these festivals are observed. And what about them? The Americans, the Westerners have also adapted a lot of things from us. For example, music. Spirituality also is setting in, like ISKCON. You need to input all these things, right? Yes,
yes. Yes, ma'am. There are many things we adopt from
you can also start with the PPT PowerPoint presentations.
Yes, ma'am.
Indian civilization, the behavioral pattern, especially for management students, like how do they behave? What is cross-cultural communication? All this comes under civilization.
Yes, ma'am, there is a changes in dress and the food habits, and which we can adopt, impact on the untouchability and the impact on women's status, and main impact of the social structure, like the career open to the talent, no longer based for the caste, money. So this was the like the impact on the marriage, on the culture. We adopt many things from them, like we say daddy, mommy, cutting the cake, blowing the candle.
We light candles. We light even in Buddhism. There's in each religion you have to, even in Christianity, lighting the candle at the altar. Like but then
Western culture we adopt to how to blow the candle.
How do you? Yeah, they have candles in churches first. Candles are lit in Buddhism and in Christianity. Candles of great significance, but why do people blow out candles, right? So now we have, I think Anisha Jaswal is already all set. Compile on this and do some more research work, right? Anisha, and then who else? Gaurav, Komal. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Today our topic is Indian civilization in culture. How Indian civilization and culture is differ from the Western civilization and culture.
How Indian civilization and culture differ from. Is the verb hai, differ the verb hai. So how we differ from them.
The Western culture, yes, ma'am. So first of all, let us know what is culture and civilization. Culture is the acquired knowledge people use to interpret, experience, and generate different behavior. Whereas civilization is a society which has its own highly developed culture and way of life. The Indian culture and Western culture are different in many aspects, such as family relations.
Culture and Western culture differ. फिर वहाँ पे तुम R भी लगा रही हो, differ भी लगा रही हो. R is a verb, helping verb. Differ is also a verb. So you cannot use helping a verb and main verb at the same time.
Yes, ma'am. The Indian culture and Western culture differ in many aspects, such as family relations, marital life, clothing, social life, and religious life. Indians have a very great culture. We have been worshipping rivers, lakes, landscapes since ages. Indian culture is considered to be one of the oldest, richest culture around the world, whereas Western culture is considered to be modern. Indian culture has a variety of religions like Hinduism, Islam, Sikhism, Christianity, while in Western culture, the people mostly belong to Christianity. The effect of Western culture is greatly seen in our customs, traditions, social and moral behavior. Our love, respect for others, they are considered to be Indian culture, which has a way of life to live with harmony with each other and always love and respect everyone at home. We have taken many things from the Western culture like music, birthday celebration, Halloween, buffet system, modern dresses, and much more. We celebrate festivals like
buffet system, buffet, not buffet. Buffet is
yes,
a French
buffet
word. The
system.
T is silent. Okay. The T is
Yes,
silent. It is not an Indian word, a French word. Buffet. Right.
yes, buffet system. And modern dresses. We celebrate festivals like Diwali, Chhath Puja, Dashera, and many more religious festivals. But the Western culture have some another festivals like street parades, pop-up bars, Day of the Dead, Christmas, Tamil Fest, October Fest, and many more. Now, I would like to conclude this topic by saying that both the Western and Indian civilization has its own culture and civilization, and both has its own importance. Both the culture are important are in their own way. That's all. Thank you.
Anisha, good. Gaurav. Gaurav is not responding. Sagar.
Ma'am, I am not
Yes, ma'am.
prepared. Ma'am.
Sagar not prepared. Komal.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am. Good morning.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Our topic is how Indian culture, civilization, and Western culture, how Indian culture and Western culture are different from others. So, what is first of all, I discuss what is culture. So, culture can be defined as all the ways of life, including arts, beliefs, and institutions of a population that are passed down from generation to generation.
Hello, can't hear you. Komal. Yeah, Komal, continue.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Some network issue. Now, Indian culture has a variety of religions like Hinduism, Islam, Sikhism, Christianity, etc. While in Western culture, the people mostly belong. In Indian culture, joint families are common. However, nuclear families are also there. Conversely, in Western culture, small families are also there. So now we discuss about what is Indian culture. They are diametrically opposite to each other. As a coin has two sides, both cultures all have some merits and demerits. Indian culture is a mix of diversities in customs, rituals, traditions, languages, etc. that varies from religion to religion within the country. It is one of the oldest and the combination of various cultures. On the other hand, Western culture, it is quite advanced and open. The norms, beliefs, values, traditions, customs, and practices are greatly inspired by European culture. Moreover, Western culture includes British culture, French culture, Spanish culture.
That's it?
Thank you, ma'am.
All right. Gaurav, are you prepared?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Start.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Today's topic is Indian culture and Western civilization. Firstly, we know that what is culture. The art and other of other human, the ideas, customs, and social behaviors of a particular people of a society, which means and what is civilization? The stage of human social and culture development and organization that is considered most advanced. And Indian culture is considered to be one of the most old culture, whereas Western culture is considered to be the modern. In Indian culture, one can come across joint family. When talking of Western culture, however, they have only a small unit. And ma'am, what are the three characteristics of Western civilization? Firstly, a democracy, rational thinking individuals. And what is the Western culture? India is land of diversity. Our country has various language, religion, culture, tradition, etc. Western culture is also called European civilization, Western civilization or Western lifestyle. And why is called Western civilization? The term Western civilization is refers to they make culture of European heritage that share common culture ideas. And ma'am, how did Western civilization develop? Its roots lay in the civilization of ancient Greece and Roman, which themselves built on foundation land and ancient. It looks shape in Middle Europe within Christian religion, society, disparate power structure and growing economic dynamic. And that's all, ma'am. Thank you.
ठीक है. It took shape. तुमने कहा look shape. कहीं पर होगा it took shape. मतलब कि form में कैसे आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Took shape. Yeah. All right. So good start. Start your self work. और self work आपको बहुत help करेगा. It's going to help you in a great way. When you learn something in class, and when you learn all by yourself, it makes a huge difference. Otherwise, good. That's all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.